So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Fetch.ai, ticker symbol FET, on Kraken. Once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right, press on the purple Buy Crypto button. In the search bar, type in ticker symbol FET or Fetch.ai. On this page right here, type in the amount of Fetch.ai you're looking to buy. I'll do $20 as an example, and if you want to proceed, go to the next page and press on the purple arrow. Once you're on this page, you can see the amount of crypto that you're buying, the price, the fee, and the total. And if all looks good, you want to proceed. Go to the bottom, press on the purple confirm button to proceed this way with the crypto transaction of Fetch.ai. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Fetch.ai, ticker symbol FET, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.